A line chart is a type of graph that shows how something changes over time. It uses dots connected by lines. This helps you see patterns, such as whether something is increasing, decreasing, or staying the same. Characteristics of a line chart. First, x-axis, it represents categories or time intervals, example days, months, or years. Second, y-axis, it represents the values being measured, example sales, temperature, or stock prices. Third, data points, in this each point represents a value for a specific category or time. Fourth line, in this the points are connected by lines to show the trend. Why use a line chart? It helps you quickly see if something is going up, down, or staying the same over time. In this example, you can see that the temperature increases until Saturday and drops on Sunday. Launch Microsoft Excel and open a new worksheet. In column A, type the days, Monday to Sunday. In column B, type the temperatures, 30, 32, 31, 33, 34, 35, 32. It should look like this. Select the data from a 1 to B8, including the headers, day, and temperature. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu. In the Charts group, click on the line chart icon. It looks like a graph with connected points. Select the line with markers option from the drop-down menu, or you can choose any other chart according to your need. Your chart will look like this. For adding a title, click on the chart title and type the name as per your need. Labeling the axis, right-click on the x-axis, days, and choose Format Axis to adjust settings if needed. Do the same for the y-axis, temperature, if required. For changing colors or styles, you can use the Chart Design tab to make your chart more. Now save the chart.